Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I will show you how you can remove this watermark from the SORA's video. This is SORA's website, and today we're going to remove this watermark from the video and we're going to download this. So this is a video that we are going to reuse for this method. So as you can see, this video has the SORA's watermark and I have already downloaded this video. So how you can do is just click on the share button and click on this download button and you are done. So this is a video. Let's just first play. So this is a video, and as you can see, this video also have this watermark and we're going to remove this watermark. So how we're going to do this? So we have to open a new tab and you will find this website link in the description. All you have to do is just copy the website link and open the new tab. Okay, so this is a website, and this website also support like guest users. So for like guest user, you can do like 5 uploads, like you can upload 5 videos to just remove the watermark from the like videos. So let us start with the video, and if you want to do like over the 5 videos, what you can do is just like use the incognito tab, and yeah, you will like overdrive this 5 limit. So just drop it here, and now we have to wait for some seconds. Okay, now the processing will be started and it will took some time. So we just have to wait because like it's doing its background work. So this is a video, and first of all we have to click here to the like remove watermark. Okay, it just started removing watermark. This may take a few minutes. Okay, we can wait. Okay, so we have this video, and here's a video that is played. And to be honest, it's took about like 3 minutes, and let's play this video and let's see it will have some watermark or not. So as you can see, this video doesn't have like any type of watermark, and like SORA's watermark is like removed now. So what we can do is just click on this 3 dot and just click here under like download button, and we can just save it again. So now we have this like without a watermark videos. So yeah, so that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you can just like this video, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, I will see you in the next one.